Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to find a lost video on TikTok. So this is a video and I'm gonna refreshing my For You page, and here you can see the video has gone. And now let's see how to find the lost video. If you didn't send like to the video, then tap on your profile, tap on this 3-line icon to the upper right hand corner, settings and privacy, and tap on watch history, and here you will get the lost video. So that was the first method to find lost video, and the second method is I'm gonna opening another video, and if I give a like to this video and if I refresh the page, so the video will lost now, as you can see. And now let's see how to find lost video. If you like the video, you can tap on profile, and here you will find this liked option, so tap on that, and here you will get the video you liked and lost. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.